Why is this so funny? Can you get it? Can you get it?
Is that funny?
Oh.
Bonk.
I hit him in the face.
Ah, you didn't even notice.
So I almost hit him in the face.
Hey. You're breaking stuff. This has been Swingy Remote Game. Thank you for watching. This has been Chew Off Ears time, like Mike Tyson. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.